Hey guys, in this video I will show you a website I have created. It is a sorting algorithm visualizer and it will sort the array you give and I have implemented all the sorting algorithms, eight of them, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight of them, and I have provided the visualization for each sorting algorithm. So how it works is, so first you will open the home page and you can select any algorithm. Let's go with the quick sort. And in quick sort you have two modes. One is normal and another is randomized quick sort. So if you click this one, then it will work on randomized. Otherwise, it will work on normal quick sort. So to to insert an array, you have to enter like this, separated by commas. That is very important. Otherwise, it won't work. Or you can just click on this button and it will create a randomly generated array, and you can sort like this and it will work smoothly. If you want to skip the visualization, you can just click this button and you can see all these passes, and at last it will give you the sorted array, and you can see all the time and space complexities of each algorithm. And I provided pseudocode, so you can use this to learn for your high school or college. And characteristics in place, not stable, summary, and I have provided five different language code for each algorithm. To run, you just have to select a language. For example, let's select C, then go here and copy it, and let's just go in our VS Code, paste the code and run it. So it's running, and as you can see, it will work like this. You can just copy paste the code and it will run. Let's try some other algorithms. Let's just go to shell sort. Let's create an array, and like this, I will paste it. It will give you exactly how each iterations work in every algorithm. Let's go down and copy the C++ code. Copy it. Let's go here and paste it here. And if I run it, it will provide me it will work. So this is the code for shell sort in C++. Let's go to let's go to selection and uh, let's go to Python code and copy it, and let's run it here. Mm, mm, okay, it works. So this is how it works, and it is actually a PWA, so you can just install it in your device. You can see the summary of each algorithm here. I have provided the definition of each word, and to install, you can go to install, then install, and it will work just like a regular app in your device. It will work on both mobile devices and your laptop. Create or start on US login, allow. Now, if I just close it, and as you can see, I have it here, so I can just open it like this. You can install it in your mobile devices too. So you can watch. So it will work like this. So for example, if you want to study for your exams, then you will need each passes. So that was mainly the motive for my creation. I created so school students can learn how to solve a problem. So you can see each passes here. Okay. I have actually I have actually created every algorithm according to what uniqueness they have. For example, quicksort has randomness. One is random quicksort and one is a normal quicksort. So I have both of them. If you click randomize quicksort and solve an array, you can see that index 0 is selected as random. So it will work like that, randomize. But if I just use normal quicksort, then it won't say like that. It will select the last element as pivot. So that's how the algorithm works. And in heap sort, you need to create heap. So You can see the heap and how the algorithm is working. So it is comparing. Red means comparing and yellow means swapping. Yellow means comparing and red means swapping. And green means the arrays, the no, memories or the element is sorted. And for each pass, you can also see the heap. The 90 is sorted, and in second pass, two members are sorted, and in third, three are sorted, and in fourth, four are sorted. It works like that. So in Radix, let's see. In Radix, it works like this. You need max, then sorting for ones place. Mm, and in shell, so every algorithm works differently. So here we have gaps, so the gap will be shown how much gap we have, and the element we are comparing will be shown. So each algorithm are hand designed to show their uniqueness and how they actually work. So you can check it out and learn about sorting algorithms and how they work. The bubble sort, selection, and insertion work almost same, so they are not that unique, but each of these quick sort, heap sort, radix, and shell are a little different. So in bubble, each element are compared. The elements are being compared right now, each adjacent elements, and if the right one is smaller, it is swapped. So as we can see, the swapping is happening. 59, 85 will be swapped with 73, and so on. Now in selection sort, um, we search for the we search for the smallest element and insert it in the first index. So it works like that. Okay, 17 was the smallest, so it works like that. And in insertion sort, we select an array and sort it. So it works like that. So you can check it out if you want and learn about sorting. I will provide the source code in description so you can edit it as you like if you want. And I will provide the link. Actually, the link is easysorting.netlify.app. Easysorting.netlify.app. You can search it like this, and it is absolutely free and it does not have any ad, so you can use it however you want.